My problem is that I pay attention to everything. What is said and what is not said. What is written and what is not written. The direct and implied meaning. Tell me why Mary Magdalene was the first person to witness that Jesus had risen from the dead. This is the same woman who was there when Jesus took his last breath. And she was the first person to know that Jesus had risen. John 20 tells us that she woke up early on the first day of the week. She was the first one. She woke up while it was still dark to go by the tomb of Jesus. And she was the first one to discover the rising of Jesus. Listen, Bible, when she got there, waboni ithuna li empty. What happened here? She was the first woman to run around to Peter to tell the rest of the disciples. Ukuthi ithumbu la Jesus li empty. Yeheni wozani nizobona ithuna selivulekile. Wakhala emva kwalokho bahamba abanye ama disciples wasala uMary Magdalena wakhala. Lithi iBhayibheli wayeloke ehleli ngasethuneni eloke ekhalile. Wayeyazi into ayayifuna uMary ukuthi angimthola uJesu ukushonephi. Lithi iBhayibheli uNkulunkulu was forced to show himself. Khona into eyenzakalayo umuntu wesifazane emeloke ekhalile eyazi into ayifunayo. Nikeni into ayifunayo. Mary Magdalene knew what she wanted. And Jesus had no choice but to appear. Jesus appeared. Woman, why are you weeping? Umfunelani ophilayo kwabafileyo. Mary Magdalene couldn't believe her eyes. She was the same woman to run back to the disciples. Ngimbonile. The first time Jesus appeared to the rest of the disciples, he had already appeared to a woman. Umuntu wesifazane wayezazi ukuthi ufunani. So which means uJesu uyatholakala meyifunwa. Engafihleka to the rest. But if you know what you want, Jesus can show up. My sister, don't stop your crying. Jesus shows up for a woman. Why ngalinda to appear to the rest of the disciples? But little Bible, he had no choice to appear. Etufunani, even though what's nana ungangithindi because Mary Magdalene wayesafuna ngisho umhaga. Uzothi uJesu, no, don't cling unto me. I haven't ascended to the Father. No, so don't touch me. Ungaqala ungithinde. Mary Magdalene, after that, she ran with the report. What nje esebabona the rest of them for the second time? Mary had already seen Jesus. Simply because Mary, why is us ufunani? We bantu besifazane, why are we sleeping? If Jesus could appear to Mary Magdalene because she was determined and she knew what she wanted. These are mysteries. These are subtle things that will blow your mind. Ask yourself, Jesus had no choice but to appear. Even though the conditions were there, okay, Mary, ungangithindi, but I am here. Go tell the rest of the disciples, ukuthi I'm ascending to the Father. So which means before Jesus could ascend to the Father, he had already appeared to Mary Magdalene. Guys, these are mysteries. Little Bible, Mary Magdalene went to the disciples and told them about what she had seen and what she had heard. Tina, shuthi siyathenjwa about certain things. So God can trust us with certain things. We are sazi because we are capable. Tina, we are passionate. You see, Tina maseyifuna into ayisiyalilela. Bafazi, don't sleep on that strength you have. Mfuneni esangafunyanwa while he still may be found. Search him. I don't know this soft spot that God has for women.